Mutual funds sahi hai, but which mutual fund apps should you use? Let's find out. Mutual funds are a great way to increase and grow your wealth. So today, let's take a look at which are the best mutual fund apps in India that you can use to easily invest and manage your mutual funds. If you're here for the first time, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a professional blogger from India. I quit my job in the US and returned to India to pursue my passion in blogging. Today, I blog about everything on my personal blog, manikarthik.com, and this YouTube channel that will help you become a better, happier, and richer person. If you like the content I share, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get more awesome and amazing videos. But don't do it now, watch the video fully and decide. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored and all that I'm sharing here is my own personal opinion. So, in my opinion, a good mutual fund app should have the following features. It should allow me to invest in regular and direct funds. It should be free to download and use. It should allow SIPs and also lump sum fund buying options. It should be easy to understand and navigate. It should not have any hidden costs for my transactions. It should allow easy and quick online mutual fund transactions. It should have timely and regular market alerts and news updates. It should also show my investment portfolio and enable me to track performance. It should allow me to set my financial goals. It should recommend me good mutual funds to invest in with their history and performance. So with these things in mind, here are my favorite 5 best mutual fund apps in India. Number 1 is Kuvera. Kuvera is a startup founded by experienced ex-investment bankers. Their experience is well seen in the way the app has been made. Through Kuvera, investors can invest in direct mutual funds at zero commission, no extra charges, and that's their highlight. They offer a wide range of mutual funds with direct plans from more than 36 mutual fund houses. Kuvera also lets you buy digital gold at no extra cost. It's super easy to use even for beginners, and no wonder it is one of the best mutual fund mobile apps available online in India today. I use it personally and I'm very happy with it. The only negative about Kuvera is that if you don't have your KYC done, they won't accept first-time investors. So you will have to get your KYC done with a third-party app before start using Kuvera. Also, their customer support is kind of just okay. Hope they are working on it. Also, you have to sign up with a mandate to make payments happen from your bank account, and this can take some time to set up. My second favorite choice is Grow. It's very much similar to Kuvera, actually a bit more fun and easy to use. It looks like they are targeting the young millennial folks who are investing in mutual funds for the very first time. For the same reason, it's super easy to sign up and verify your KYC on Grow. I got it done in under 1 day or so. Unlike Kuvera, you have access to a lot of funds just like in Kuvera, and you have more options to buy other than SIPs. You can even buy funds with the UPI option, which is easier than in Kuvera or other apps. Overall, Grow is a much simpler and easy to use app, but the negatives are that the platform itself is a little bit buggy and has been reported to have small glitches and errors. Also, their customer support, although quick, isn't very admirable. I had an issue regarding a cancelled transaction with them and it took more than a week to sort it out. Actually, I don't even know if it's sorted out yet, but that's how it is. I hear that they are also getting into stocks, which I'm looking forward to. Oh, and it doesn't let you buy digital gold like Kuvera. Number 3 is Biggie. To be honest, I haven't tried Biggie in depth and I haven't come across folks who are ardent fans of it. It is a Y Combinator backed startup and uses AI or artificial intelligence for fund recommendations and planning, which is a great thing. Here too, you can buy direct mutual funds at zero extra cost, just like Kuvera and Grow. But it also provides an additional facility of EPF tracker. Once you link your EPF account, you can view your EPF balance and view project retirement EPF balance right there. The interface of the app is easy, but perhaps less fun to use than Grow and Kuvera. Feature-wise, it is probably exactly the same as Grow and Kuvera. Yes, it lets you buy digital gold also if you're into it. If you have used Piggy before, please let me know in comments how your experience was. Number 4 is Paytm. Everybody knows Paytm, right? The digital payments app that took India by storm. Well, they have a mutual fund investment option too. Good things are that their app is super user friendly and anyone who have used the Paytm app won't have any difficulty using it. Their choice of funds and suggestions are goal oriented and very useful. Now, for anyone who has used Paytm knows already about their little glitches and errors, so you can expect those once a while. But otherwise, it's a great mutual fund investment tool, just like Kuvera, no charges whatsoever. You can buy digital gold and customer support is, well, okay. Even then, I will prefer Kuvera or Grow just because they are focused on mutual funds investment alone. Unlike Paytm, which as you might already know has a lot of other stuff going on and sometimes falls back in the experience. Now, there are some already existing older mention-worthy apps as well, but I don't think that they are amazing when compared to Kuvera, Grow or even Paytm. I'll list them on the video titles here anyways, just so you can go through them. New generation apps like Kuvera and Grow have set a new benchmark in mutual fund investing in India by offering an amazing experience for the user, and I hope there will be more challenging and fun new apps coming out that will offer us users newer experiences. One thing I found interesting is that all the apps that boast of zero fees or no brokerages haven't figured out how to make money themselves. I mean, without commissions, how do they ethically make money? Perhaps they will find something in the long run, but as of now, it looks interesting. I hope the money and the personal financial data that we put in these apps are safe. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, do click the like button and share it with your mutual fund friends. If you disagree or have an opinion on something I said, please let me know in the comments. This is Mani Karthik signing off. Jai Hind.